Speaking about women, man, I want to apologize first and foremost to all the female chillers and just women in general in SA, that I might have offended with that comment. That was not the intention. We never say things to offend people.
Beautiful stuff, man. Whoa, man. Yeah.
And
No,
also,
we don't.
bro, and also I want to extend an invite to Minnie Dlamini, bro. I want to invite her to the show. You are more than welcome to come. This thing started on the podcast. Let's end it on the podcast. She said some things. I've said some things. Let's squash it once and for all, bro.
That would be beautiful.
You know what I mean?
I doubt it's going to happen. I don't see her coming, but you've extended the olive branch and the invite.
Yes.
Big of you, man. Well done.
Yeah.
Big of you, man.
Why don't you think it's going to happen?
Huh?
Why don't you think it's going to happen?
Minnie coming.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, bro. Because all
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. If you've been following stories Meg and Omini Dlamini la Meg, I was discussing Omini Dlamini lapha ku podcast in Chile akana Sod Penduga, where he said ukuthi why gani Omini Dlamini angalastic my relationship, does her cookie smell or something, ne? Asibambeni lapho uthi does her cookie smell or something, ne? Okay, fine. Kwaba indzaba le khulu leyo, abantu abaningi bangaphatheki kahle ngaloku le Meg wakusho ngaMinnie Dlamini ukuthi there was no need for him to say ukuthi does her cookie smell or something. Like there was no need to make such remarks about a woman. Being a man, like you're not allowed ukuthi ukhulume njalo ngalomnye umfati, nangokuthi nje futhi he's married, unemfati, he has kids. Why abe ngale ndlela? Why abe ngalolu hlobo? People felt ukuthi cha lento la ikhulumile yibi kakhulu, as just distasteful, ayithandzeki, ibhlungu futhi njena nakuye umnikati. So yatrenda ilindzaba yatrenda sikhathi lesidze. People were just saying ukuthi they should cancel Meg, like people were saying they should cancel that podcast. Deputy Minister Yamsamona, actually, like they wanted to summon him go parliament for what he said about Umini. Kwaba nje indzaba guys lekhulu. Some people were saying ukuthi vele Meg uyatselela akathathwa akabanjwe. Some were saying ukuthi akacancel podcast yakhe, but some were defending him, some were standing with him saying ukuthi hayibo, it's just a podcast. Nangokuthi futhi he didn't say like her cookie smells. He said it does her cookie smells or something, meaning it was a question. That's what other people are saying. He was asking ukuthi does her cookie smell yini? He didn't say her cookie smells, ne? Okay, fine. So qolisile Meg on his podcast yasho ukuthi uyaqolisa, but he didn't really say uqolisa kuMinnie Dlamini, but use uyaqolisa like to all the women labaphatheke kabi ngaloku lakhulumile yena, kusiko ukuthi like akabathanzi abantu besifazane, empowerment yabo akayithanzi nani njengoba abantu bamdescribe as not a bad guy. Aqolisa nje silibonile video idlala where he was apologizing to SA women. Okay, fine. Urespondile ke uMinnie Dlamini laphana aku Instagram, responda nge-statement lasibhale anamhla 13 May 2025, abhalile nje ukuthi official statement lesikhuluma mayelana ne-apology yabani ya Meg uMacGyver. Okay, fine. And uMinnie Dlamini is saying ukuthi cha, like she doesn't accept that apology. Futhi njena that apology wasn't genuine. Futhi nje he was even smiling ku podcast yakhe makakhuluma, and she's saying ukuthi she wants Meg ukuthi athathe accountability nangokuthi apunishwe for what he said about her. Uthi lento lena emotionally reputation yakhe yavisa buhlungu bantu abaduze naye. Uthi yena she's a mom, she's a sister, and uthi loku lakhulumile uMeg ngaye as a public figure kumoshele i-reputation gabi, and she's saying ukuthi uyaqhubeka with legal actions. Uthi uyaqhubeka, like she's not stepping down. Uthi even attorneys akhe uMac G they did apologize, but uyasho nje ukuthi umile emagameni akhe ukuthi ufuna ukuthi uMac G apunishwe for what he said about her ku podcast yakhe. Uthi akasatendeli yena, uthi no, I'm no longer doing this for myself, but I'm doing this for all the women labahlala badregwa nguMac G laphana ku his so-called podcast. So Umini Dlamini, guys, she's fuming, like she's really fuming, and she's saying ukuthi she's even shocked ukuthi why are people saying ukuthi yena she once said ukuthi uMac G umdlenguli. Uthi nje akakase wakhuluma anything bad about uMac G, yena uthi akakase wakhuluma lutho libi ngaMac G, and she's saying ukuthi cha, she's not stepping down or uthi nje akastepi down, ayikho nje lento yokuthi utoqolisa uMac G bese uyamqolela yena na drop ma legal actions lebese kawathatha against the guy. Uthi uyaqhubeka uthi njena forward we go, ngisho kuthiwa ungaqolisa anginandzaba mina neliqolo lakho, futhi nje that apology wasn't genuine, you were even laughing wena uyatselela. So sibonile sibaqolisa laphana uMac G even said ukuthi awuyafisa ukuthi ngathi mina Dlamini angafika lapha ku podcast yakhe, anything liqale lapha ku podcast, it must end on the podcast. Singabambelana maqhubu. Do you get what I'm saying? Singabambelana maqhubu. Yet people still stand with uMac G. There are people who still stand with uMac G saying ukuthi the guy wasn't wrong. But naye mina Dlamini wakhuluma something bad about the guy, and the guy said something bad about Umini, and people are even saying ukuthi Umini wire act as a saint because siyaqha ukuthi naye kudzala ngishadreka ngisho nakhune khona ngamenda ngalutho amdreka ngisho nase TV. So kwayena uyadzelela ngibani nalamthathela ama legal action. So people are standing with uMac G, but there are people who are also standing with Umini Dlamini saying ukuthi hayibo Mogeli thina njena siyakudefenda, but there are people who are saying ukuthi cha wena Umini Dlamini njena you're just dramatic, ufuna kubukwa, ufuna kubona like always nje uhlezi ufuna kubukwa. Wena nawe you once said something bad about the guy, manje njengoba the guy is saying something bad about you back bese wena so ufuna kuthatha ama legal actions, and people feel ukuthi it's not fair. But guys, lo wakhuluma uMac G about Umini Dlamini, it was really distasteful. Shame cha bekukubi ngendlela lesimanga, because now everyone is just talking about that, and abantu mase interpret indzaba. Okay fine, yes we know ukuthi uMac G said ukuthi does her cookie smells or something, but people are now saying ukuthi uMac G said ukuthi her cookie smells, and even if he said ukuthi does her cookie smells, it doesn't make anything right, it doesn't make it even better futhi ngobhlungu. And if Umini Dlamini is saying ukuthi uyaqhubeka nema legal actions, akaqhubeke. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.